Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman YouTube channel. And today we're going to be talking about the fuel lever transmitters, or the fuel senders, that are only in the four-place airplanes. There's the empty box, so now let's take a look at the fuel sender. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So here, let's take a look at the fuel transmitter. Move the box out of the way. Now, we store them when we ship them after checking them with a resistor, and the easiest way to do that is between the metal plate and the end cap screw. Put a resistor, a variable ohm meter on there, and then as you change the level of the float, then you should see a change in the resistance value. It also comes with a new gasket. Now, here's the fun part about these gaskets. They're a 5-hole gasket. Just like that, 5 holes. They are not equally spaced around the hole, so that they only fit the 5 holes in the fuel sender where it attaches to the wing in one manner. There's only one way it will fit. The 5 holes only line up one way. And again, let me just remind you, it doesn't matter whether the gasket is on one side or you flip it over to the other side. The 5 holes will only line up in one orientation, whichever way you put it on. So be sure you put it on in the correct way, and you'll find that with the way that it goes into the airplane, that there's always a bolt hole at the very top when it goes into the wing. And then you don't want to over tighten the 5 holes when you're putting the fuel sender in, because you don't want to strip out the blind captures on the other side of the bulkhead where it fits into. But it'll line up whether it's, again, you can put it on one way or you can put the gasket on the other way. There is no wrong way. Now, you can make gaskets out of cork, but every fuel sender that comes back from overhaul, we always send out with a new gasket, and they'll be good for about another 40 years. So that's your fuel level. And again, this only applies to the 4-place airplanes. You 2-seaters have your sight gauges on the firewall in front of your knees on the left and on the right. So this is only for the 4-place airplane to drive the gauges, and it just measures the resistance of where the float is, and on that it illuminates the gauge in the cockpit. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.